I can get my audio back. Let me mute myself first.
Is there a reason is name and module, not module?
We just discuss this. It's not really. So we can do either way.
So, because if I am the student, every week I have to create. Can you turn off your volumes? Yeah. So if I'm the student, each module I have to keep creating my name folder, right? So if I'm the student, that's such a hassle. I have to creating that one. And let's see. So I created the directory. I go to my Apprenti Amazon, and I do this. Yeah. Apprenti. Let's put this with me as well.
I think you forgot to write readme file.
No, something's wrong.
You forgot to run the first command, the echo apprenti something.
What's wrong with this? Let's create this manually, I guess. I don't know. You might want a file or something. Let's see. It needs a file. So I have to. I don't think it allows me to without something there. So how do you find the settings to restrict it? Not yet. I'll look for it. Yeah, correct. Security? No. Issues. Oh, can you take a look here? I think I found it. When merging, allow merge commit. Oh. Okay, go ahead. I can also take a look in the previous repository. I'll take a look and see the attendance thing that we had before. Ooh. Settings, let's see. Oh, not here. So right now what we can do is you can clone the repository and then create your own file, but don't push yet because we want to restrict some stuff. require review GitHub. Go to settings, branches. Add rule, okay. Okay, so what I did last time was I have a master default branch name pattern. Require pull request reviews before merging. Let's see. Oh yeah. Can code owners include? Then let's go back to the document. So have you guys gone inside the Ubuntu server? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I'll. Did you git clone first? Okay. Okay. And then, so let's see. I'll put the instructions, general instructions. Ubuntu server, connect to Ubuntu server. Connect to Ubuntu server. Clone the repository. Create a new folder with your name. Inside CS120 with a new folder with module 1 inside your name folder. Create a how do you want? Oh yeah, create a branch. Create a branch. Create a folder with your name inside CS120. Create a folder with module 1 inside your name folder. And then create a file. How do you create file in Windows? Unix, touch. Yeah, touch. And let's say test dot md. Git add test.md git commit initial commit. Git push origin your branch name. Branch, let's create a branch, should be first name, last name. First name slash dash last name. Okay. And then I have to put the commands to creating a branch. Git checkout dash b. Yep. On the repository, need to put that link. So the GitHub link to git clone, I need the git clone command. It's in Slack, temporarily. And double check it. Okay. I'll go ahead and try that as well. So like this setup, let me see. I think we have a setup like this. hands-on. So is that the whole command? Okay. That should be in the, what number do you want me to put that in? First one? So second. Because you said it stores before you push. Let's do that after the clone, or the branch. I'll do that after the branch. Git config credential dot helper store. What command, Dustin? What number?
The credential dot have a store command.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Basically the git config credential dot helper space store. So when you are asked for your username and password, that usually happens every time. But when you executed that command, it shall store your credentials so that every time you push, you don't need to uh, log in with your user and password in GitHub, which is asked in the terminal. Okay, let's see.
But I think the command is only necessary if we didn't set up the SSH key, right?
I don't see it yet though.
Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Create a pull request. I can do something like step 11, open a browser in GitHub and go, yeah, switch out of Ubuntu, further, open a browser, go to go to this and then go click your branch, click create a pull request. We'll just add screenshots for that. Or if you're screen capturing, that will be better if someone is screen capturing. Okay, so let's see. Hmm? Yeah, so people don't get confused. What we're doing is basically we're simulating using a one repository. So all of the apprentice students can just upload their code, and it's easier for TAs and instructors to check their code and their work. What was the name of the compare and pull request? And usually it pops out right away, right? Compare. You can even put it here. Send it in my personal direct message so that I won't lose it. Yeah, either way it works. I think pull request would also put you on the same page. And I think before I have, yes, I do have a good README for that. So I can just reuse that README and just edit it like this one. Oops. Mhm. You don't have to. I don't want it. Yeah. Well, actually, they can just stay on their own branch. Just keep pushing, right? In this scenario, they don't even have to pull. If they want, sure, but they don't need. So this is another thing that maybe just master. Is that what I'm saying? Because we can, yeah, own branch. Mm-hmm. So this is another thing that we will give you permissions, the TA. So as students, they can't click this merge pull request. Usually it's a green button, but for the students, it will be grayed out. For me, or next time, the other TAs, you're going to be an admin of sorts or owner. I can be the one to do the merge pull request. But before that, we have to quickly check. We'll give you, but now I'm just showing you. And we can keep simulating that.
Yeah, we are not.
Okay. Then, as code owners or administrator, first thing you have to check out is again, click this one. So listen first. Juan and Apiwat, listen first. So when you do a pull request, it would look like this for Kevin. And then I'll give you this access to be able to merge a pull request, but the students themselves, they can't do it. But before clicking this, don't be trigger happy, click this first. Make sure that they're doing the correct thing. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? That one first. We did create the file structure that we want. And then basically, we don't need to edit any code. If they got this file structure correctly, they should not have any conflicts.
They don't need comment.
And if it's wrong, you can just reject the pull request and have them work on it again. Okay, so.
Put comment here.
Yeah, this one.
I have to see it from here. What is the reason for that? Go back.
So us will provide details. Let's say you're like, I guess I should put more detail. Make sure.
Different way.
In class. Yeah, it was the
But
same
now
exercise.
it's different. Like you have to do the program to
I was trying to do that, but it sounds good. What do you mean? Yeah, I just comment something.
Can anyone hear me? Hello?
Okay, so I'll try to merge one. Let's say don't like Kevin A, but I like Kevin B. So I first, because he's better B. And I check. Oh, that's wrong. So I will reject you as well. And I can say wrong path. Should be. Go back check yeah, that's something now. Okay, let's see if other people got code. Let's see. Hi, I'm Tuan. Sure. Module 1. Okay, this should be good. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
That's an easy copy paste once they've done this one time. You seen what I seen? I just put the. I didn't. think it's too much? Just the first time, right? And how do I increase your rights level? Um, GitHub. Oh, really? Well, who's gonna help me merge? Oh, okay. How do I make other people? 23rd? Anyway, that's something for us anyway. Let's see what else. No need to do this. How about Happy What? You're good? Oh yeah, okay. I see yours. Let's see. Uh-huh. Oh, you did not follow the Jack. Follow the naming convention. So Dustin has a question. Can we restrict view permission for branches so students cannot see each other's branch? I think my conversation with Sam, he said he's fine with students seeing other students' work. It doesn't matter. Correct. So basically the answer is it's not really a test. It's just a pass or fail. They just have to complete it.
Okay, I see.
So, okay. Did you have any problems, Dustin?
No, I don't.
I haven't. Let's see if I see that. Okay, can include, right? But how can I make you an administrator? That's the first one.
No, you should check this one.
I did. If you go back, it's already, this is one of the apps that I did.
see this.
Oh, sorry.
See this requires you some code owner. How about you do so this rule is like a vote. You don't have really have a people vote own the code because you are the owner. That makes, even though they vote, still you have to approve. The only way is you don't check owner can vote, but student also can vote.
You can create a team. I'll try it. Unlimited, okay. Okay. Hang rock. What? What's your username? Hang Wang 031. Oh, 0.
And also another thing I want to check is another thing is do we need to restrict the view permissions for ranges so that one student cannot view each other ranges?
Collaborators and teams now change. Create a new team. Oh. Oh, I know. The organizational name should be different. Now, okay, this is for something I have to figure out first. And because I think it's reading time, so one should take over. Okay, let's see. Why you hate me, teacher? Don't worry if we do have less percentage, or I think I have some big percentage. It's blocked in again. don't forget it's kind of required for you guys to do that.
That's supposed to do some video other people doing try to solve this problem. Right? So I reviewed 4 different ways. Overall way, other people try to solve I will walk the rest one by one. How you drive, have to do that. So the first one I find is for the hashtag. The hashtag is very popular library right now. So they have a lot of different libraries to do that. So what this library do is you can see at the beginning, they import this library and try to load different. You can see here is the 2 examples, load the English version of text. And this D, what is D? Other language. So they load this different text from here, and then they can use the other components. So this component flag the real application, and inside the application.